Lithuania is located in northern Europe. It is bordered by Latvia to the north, Belarus to the east and south, Poland to the south, and Russia to the west. The capital and largest city of Lithuania is Vilnius. Lithuania has a population of approximately 2.8 million people. The official language is Lithuanian. Lithuania was one of the 3 Baltic states that gained independence from the Soviet Union in 1990. The country joined the European Union in 2004. Lithuania has a parliamentary republic government. The currency used in Lithuania is the euro. The flag of Lithuania consists of 3 horizontal stripes, yellow on the top, green in the middle, and red on the bottom. Lithuania has a rich history dating back to the medieval times. Vilnius Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lithuania has a strong tradition of folk music and dancing. Amber is a popular souvenir in Lithuania, as the country has a rich source of this gemstone. Kuchelis is a traditional Lithuanian potato pudding dish. The Hill of Crosses is a famous pilgrimage site in Lithuania. The Lithuanian language is one of the oldest languages in the world. The Vilnius University is one of the oldest universities in Eastern Europe. Lithuania has a high percentage of forests, covering over 33% of the country. The country is known for its beautiful lakes and rivers. Trakai Island Castle is a popular tourist attraction in Lithuania. The Lithuanian basketball team has had great success in international competitions. The Constitution of Lithuania was adopted in 1992. Lithuania has a high literacy rate, with over 99% of the population being able to read and write. The country has a growing technology sector, with many startups and tech companies emerging. The Vilnius International Airport is the largest airport in Lithuania. The country has a diverse landscape, including sandy beaches along the Baltic Sea coast. Lithuania has a maritime climate with mild summers and cold winters. The Curonian Spit is a unique natural phenomenon located in Lithuania. The country has several national parks and nature reserves. The Lithuanian Independence Day is celebrated on February 16. The Lithuanian flag was first officially adopted in 1918. Lithuania has a strong tradition of ceramics and pottery. The country has a well-developed public transportation system. Lithuania is a member of NATO and the United Nations. The Baltic Way was a peaceful protest in 1989 where over 2 million people joined hands across Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. The euro was adopted as the official currency of Lithuania in 2015. The Gediminas Tower is a symbol of Vilnius and one of the most famous landmarks in the country. Lithuania has a low crime rate compared to other European countries. The country has a high standard of living and quality healthcare system. The Lithuanian National Museum houses artifacts from the country's history. Lithuania has a rich tradition of literature and has produced many famous writers. The Lithuanian Basketball League is one of the strongest in Europe. The country has a diverse cuisine influenced by its history and neighboring countries. The Great Seimas of Vilnius was a historic assembly that declared the restoration of Lithuanian independence in 1918. Lithuania is known for its wooden architecture, with many historic buildings still preserved. The Lithuanian passport allows visa-free travel to over 150 countries. Lithuania is a member of the Schengen Agreement, allowing for easy travel within the European Union. The Lithuanian Grand Duke Jogaila was the founder of the Jagiellonian dynasty. The Soviet occupation of Lithuania lasted from 1940 to 1990. Lithuania has a strong tradition of choral singing, with many choirs and ensembles performing nationwide. The Lithuanian Institute of Agrarian Economics is responsible for research and analysis in the agricultural sector. The country has a growing wine industry, with several vineyards producing high-quality wines. The Lithuanian Writers' Union is a prominent organization that supports writers and promotes literature in the country. Lithuania has a well-developed education system with a focus on science and technology. The country has a diverse wildlife population, including bears, wolves, and lynx. The Lithuanian Film Center promotes the country's film industry and supports local filmmakers. Lithuania is a member of the Eurozone, using the euro as its official currency. The Lithuanian Academy of Sciences is a prestigious institution that promotes scientific research and innovation. Lithuania has a strong tradition of religious tolerance, with Roman Catholicism being the dominant religion. The Lithuanian armed forces are responsible for national defense and security. The country has a rich tradition of handicrafts, including weaving, pottery, and embroidery. Lithuania has a high level of internet penetration, with over 80% of the population having access to the internet. The Lithuanian National Opera and Ballet Theatre is one of the oldest cultural institutions in the country. Lithuania has a vibrant art scene, with many galleries and museums showcasing local and international artists. The country has a diverse cultural heritage, with influences from its neighboring countries and historical events. The Lithuanian State Symphony Orchestra is a renowned ensemble that performs classical music nationwide. Lithuania has a strong tradition of herbal medicine, with many people using natural remedies for health and wellness. The country has a growing tourism industry, with many visitors coming to explore its historic sites and natural beauty.